What's up, everybody? Little builds here. My first YouTube video. Got my 370Z 2010 370Z here. Pretty much gonna be doing some parts today. Got Z1 cold air intakes. Just get in here, pop the hood. Yeah. Hold on. All right. First thing to do, I'm gonna get underneath. I'm gonna take my splash guard off. All right. So that's done underneath. Pretty much everything connected to the bumper under there is disconnected. We'll start taking all these little ones out and getting the bumper starting to come off. All right, so I got those out, and then you gotta get up under here and get this bolt out that holds the bumper in. So I'm gonna have to at least pull out a little bit the inner wheel well, and yeah, pretty much do that on both sides, and then get to that bolt, get the bumper. I don't know if you can see too great, but there's that bolt right up in there. You get out. So I got that bolt out. There's also a 10 mil. Pretty much just pull down that little lip in there, and well, use two hands. All right, got the other side done. This side's pretty loose. Pretty just gonna crack these off a little bit. There we go. Side. Already did this side a little bit, but there you go. Bumper is off. Oh, it's nice and dirty under there. Yeah. Alright, so we got the bumper off, it's over there. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the strut brace. So I'm gonna take off some of the plastics, take that off, and I can get to the actual intakes easier. I don't have to, but why not? So I pretty much took out all of these clips on all of it, and it's super easy. Kind of just wiggle stuff out. Get out of there. We got this right here, which pull up on this side, and then get the back out. This thing's kind of obnoxiously annoying, but it's held in by all these little clips all around, so you kind of gotta fight with it a little bit to get it out. But it's just clipped on. All right, got all those nuts and bolts out. Just pick that up, not hit shit. There we go. All right, let me get the sensors unplugged, and then start with the actual clamps here. Just take it out, same thing, clamps, and then these clamps as well. So before touching the MAF sensors, disconnect the terminal, just because it's always a good thing. You touch electrical, you never know. This air duct out. Get in here, there's a little clip here, your nose pliers, and there is also a bolt right up there. Sure you can see it great. Yeah. Do that on both sides real quick. To get to that bolt, you're also gonna have to get at least a few of these off just to get there. I mean, take it off if you want to. It is what it is. So this one comes out super easy with the needle nose, just pinch them, pull it out. But at least for me, I do have a wire harness right here that is connected right there. So again, needle nose pliers, pop that out real quick, and I got those 2 air ducts out. Put the OEM clamps on the hoses right there. This one is also driver's side, passenger side. So yeah, we get the hoses in, and then it's time to fit up the actual cold air pipes. Before I do that though, I'm going to take the maps out of there and put them in the new ones. I'm going to be putting couplers onto the throttle bodies just like that, so I can get the pipes fitted in. Alright, so we got pipes fitted up to the couplers, the air hoses fitted up, not completely yet, but same thing over here, fitted up, fitted, and these coming through. Get these fitted up to here. So one thing with the filters is that this part goes inside right in here, lines up pretty good, but it also needs to go up in there with the clamp on it. So fit that up first, and then we'll sauce that in there. Okay, got the couplers fitted in there. Now it's time for the filters, and then button everything up. That's about it. Alright, so we got it lined up pretty good. It's just double. Fitted on there already. These are tightened down. Looks pretty good though. And we got these fitted on there, tightened down. We're gonna tighten everything down together. Put the mouse sensors on last, and pretty good. Alright, everything's back together. Negatives back on. Time to go start it. Time to go start it. So for my dog. Jeez. Okay. Let's see how she's going. Everything's back together. Looks good. Cold air's in there. Hell yeah. Well, that's it for this one. More to come.